just to introduce myself, my name is Tianzi, and I'm currently a third-year student in Imperial College London, and I study mathematics and statistics. And I did the Amplify trading internship back in, I think, 2018, and it was in my first year, and I don't really know what kind of trading was at that time. So after the internship, I kind of got a better understanding of what trading was. And after that, I applied for a few internships in my second year and got accepted to Goldman Sachs Securities Division. And I did about, I think, 10 weeks internship with them, with a lot of rotations in different desks and a lot of work shadowing. So after that, I kind of had a more kind of thorough understanding of what different asset classes are, and also what kind of trading areas suits me the best. So in my third year, I kind of went to apply for a few more jobs in the market and got really lucky accepted to DE Shaw. If you don't know DE Shaw is one of the largest quant hedge funds in the street, and I'll be joining them this summer, a prop trader. And that's just like a brief summary of what I did during my college. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. If not, I've actually prepared a bit kind of like the questions I want to touch on later. So yeah, feel free to ask me any questions. I'll just start with some like basic questions I got asked a lot in the past. So if you have more questions, you can like ask me anytime later. I think like the questions I've got asked a lot is probably like, why do you want to do trading, or like why not maybe IBD or technology with my background, because I do maths. And I think if you probably, because you are already in the Amplify trading program, you're definitely interested in trading. But I would say for me, what kind of attracts me in the first place in my first year is actually the kind of knowledge you can learn from trading, because by doing trading you can learn so many things, like what you were talking like about it earlier about the psychology stuff. That was really interesting for me, and also like a lot of politics, geopolitics, and also things about finance. And if you do like quant trading, also some things about like math or computer science, that kind of things are really the things that attracts me in the first place. Another question is, how do I think Amplify trading internship changed? Well, I want to say this honestly, because I did Amplify trading internship back in my first year. And when I did that internship, I literally knew nothing about trading. I was just thinking, because I think Anthony came to the campus to Imperial College to do some like presentation. I think it was really cool and he knew a lot. That's why I just kind of like signed up for that internship. But it definitely kind of go beyond my expectation, because I did a lot of kind of trading simulations and did a lot of lectures with Will and Anthony and other people in Amplify trading. So they kind of gave me an overview of the trading, and also just from that I knew I'm interested in trading. And that kind of gave me an edge as a first year student, because at that time, like peers, they don't know that much about trading as a first year math student. So when I applied for Goldman Sachs, I actually had a lot of things to talk about during my interview, like the things I did in Amplify trading or the trading simulation I tried. So a lot of that just like gave me more kind of stories to tell during my interview. And also Amplify trading can help you along the way of your career or your application.